Strengthening Faith 48. I had a thought which I wanted to share. I was pondering over a powerful weapon and trap of the devil, which can affect every Muslim irrespective of the strength of their faith. The devil tries to convince Muslims to always observe those who are worse than them in behavior, in order to justify their lack of striving in the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, and improving their character and behavior for the better. For example, a Muslim who offers their obligatory prayers once in a while will observe someone who does not pray at all in order to make themselves feel better. A thief will look at a murderer and convince themselves stealing is not so bad. The examples are endless. It is very strange how these Muslims so easily observe those who appear worse than them in order to justify their lack of effort in obeying Allah, the Exalted. But these same people will not observe those who are in a worse off position than them when they face difficulties. For example, the person who suffers from back pain will not observe the one who is physically disabled so that it prevents them from complaining. This attitude has specifically been advised by the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2513. In addition, if observing those who appear worse in their behavior does not save one from punishment in a worldly court, such as a thief being pardoned by a judge because there are many murderers in the world, how can one imagine this excuse will hold up in the court of Allah, the Exalted? Muslims should therefore avoid this trap of the devil by observing those who appear better than them, so that they are inspired to improve their character and behavior progressively for the pleasure of Allah, the Exalted. This is what Allah, the Exalted, demands, meaning, He does not demand perfection. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.